Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best travel adapters is probably one of the most essential gadgets for any globetrotter. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your first international trip, navigating different electrical outlets can be a real headache. In this video, we'll dive into the world of travel adapters, exploring the best options to keep your devices charged and ready for action, no matter where your adventures take you. Number 5. Ceptics 45W Universal Travel Adapter, 11KU. Designed in the USA, this adapter is the most reliable. It's a complete and safe all-in-one solution, perfect for worldwide travel without needing to worry about the correct plug type. This adapter has 3 USB-A ports and 2 USB-C ports, including power delivery and quick charge 3.0. It's ideal for travel and can fast charge your phones, tablets, and laptops anywhere in the world. It features Type A, I, C, and G outlets. Type A works in the US, Japan, and more. Type 1 is for China and Australia. Type C is for Europe, and Type G is for the UK. It's built with an 8A fuse and is FCC, CE, and RoHS certified. It includes child-safe features and built-in safety shutters to protect you and your devices from short circuits. This adapter does not convert voltage. Ensure your device supports 100-240V for use overseas. It won't work with items like hair dryers. Contact us for any questions. What we like. This adapter offers multiple USB ports, allowing you to charge several devices simultaneously. It's designed for worldwide use, making it perfect for global travelers. If you're always on the go and need to keep all your gadgets powered up, this is the ideal choice. Its safety certifications ensure peace of mind while charging. What people say. The adapter worked perfectly in Europe. It has multiple plug configurations and USB ports. This adapter is compact and easy to carry. Number 4. TESSAN European Travel Plug Adapter with USB ports. This adapter is designed for use in most European countries. It allows you to use your devices in places like France, Germany, and Italy. Please note that it is not compatible with the UK, Ireland, or Scotland. The adapter converts one European Type-C socket into an American outlet and 2 USB ports. This allows you to charge up to 3 devices simultaneously. Be sure your devices don't exceed a combined power load of 2500 W. It features 2 USB ports that provide optimal charging speed. Each port delivers up to 2.4A, perfect for charging phones, tablets, and other devices. This makes it ideal for all your charging needs while traveling. The adapter is lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry. You can easily slip it into your pocket, saving space in your luggage. It's a convenient travel essential. This is a plug adapter, not a voltage converter. It works with dual voltage devices that accept 100V, 250V. Always check your device's voltage rating before use to ensure compatibility. What we like. This adapter is incredibly compact, easily fitting into your pocket or bag. It also features dual USB ports for convenient charging. If you're traveling to Europe and want a simple, space-saving solution for charging your phone and other devices, this adapter is a great option. What people say. The adapter worked perfectly in Europe. It was easy to use and fit the plug securely. This adapter is small and compact, making it easy to pack. Number 3. TESSAN European Travel Plug Adapter 2-Pack. This adapter is compatible in most European countries. It's perfect for places like Austria, Germany, and Spain. However, it's not supported in the UK, Ireland, and Scotland. This adapter transforms one European Type-C socket into multiple charging options. It offers 1 American outlet and 2 USB ports. It's great for travelers, business people, and students. The 2 USB ports provide fast charging, up to 2.4A per port. It's designed to charge your phone, tablet, or other devices. It's ideal for all your charging needs while traveling. It's lightweight and portable, easily fitting in your pocket or bag. This adapter saves space in your luggage. It's also cruise ship approved, with no surge protection or cords. This adapter works with 100V to 250V devices. If you plan to use hair dryers or straighteners, make sure they support wide voltage. Otherwise, you might need a power voltage converter. What we like. This product comes in a convenient 2-pack, perfect for couples or those who need multiple adapters. It also includes dual USB ports for charging. If you're traveling with a companion or need adapters for multiple devices, this set offers great value and convenience. What people say. The adapter worked perfectly in Europe. It was easy to use and fit the plug securely. This adapter is small and compact, making it easy to pack and carry. Number 2. Ceptics 35W Universal Travel Adapter Kit. Tired of carrying multiple adapters? This travel adapter is designed for global use. It provides power wherever you go, making it the perfect travel companion. Featuring 2 USA sockets, USB-A, and USB-C ports, including a 35W PD USB-C. It also comes with a USB-C cable. This allows you to charge multiple devices simultaneously and quickly. Designed with travelers in mind, it's ultra-compact and lightweight. A travel pouch is included for easy storage. It's easy to carry and won't weigh you down. Built-in surge protection safeguards your electronics from voltage spikes. The voltage indicator lets you know the voltage in use. This ensures your devices are protected. It includes adapters for Europe, UK, US, Australia, China, Germany, France, and Japan. This adapter is compatible with outlets in most countries. It's ready for your next adventure. Enjoy peace of mind with a 2-year limited warranty. It's compatible with worldwide voltage electronics. Please note that it is not a voltage converter. What we like. This adapter includes multiple USA outlets and a USB-C port with power delivery for fast charging. It also offers built-in surge protection, safeguarding your devices. If you need to charge a laptop or other power-hungry devices, while protecting them from voltage fluctuations, consider this adapter. What people say. The adapter worked perfectly in Europe. It was able to handle multiple devices at once. The design is compact and easy to carry. Number 1. ALLWEI Travel Adapter 220V to 110V. This is the ALLWEI International Travel Adapter. It's designed to convert voltage from 220V to 110V, making it perfect for your travel needs. It allows you to use your favorite electronics, like hair straighteners, while abroad. With patented technology, this adapter safely powers devices up to 230W. It's ideal for curling irons and other small appliances. This ensures you can use your devices without any issues. The adapter comes with multiple international adapters, covering over 150 countries. Whether you're in the UK, Europe, or Australia, it has you covered. It's a truly universal travel companion. It includes safety features like surge protection and overheat protection. The fan operates silently, ensuring a peaceful experience. It will automatically shut down to protect your devices. Simply plug your device into the adapter. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to pack. It also comes with a US power cable and a storage bag. You'll receive the ALLWEI Universal Travel Adapter, along with multiple adapters and a user manual. It also includes an 18-month warranty and customer service. It is a great travel accessory. What we like. This adapter converts voltage, allowing you to use hair straighteners and curling irons in different countries. It includes multiple international adapters for worldwide use. If you need to use your hair styling tools while traveling abroad, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The adapter worked perfectly in Italy. It was able to handle multiple devices at once. This adapter is very compact and easy to pack. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.